Respected judges, esteemed teachers, honorable guests, and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. I stand before you today to speak on a subject that is not only academic, but deeply civilization to importance of Islamic education in contemporary world. Education shapes mind, but value education, based education, shapes in humanity. In an age of rapid technological growth and material success, the real crisis our society faces is moral and ethical one. Knowledge is increasing, yet wisdom is declining. Information is abundant. Characteristic is fragile. It is precious, or the justice that Islamic education became not just relevant but essential. Modern society is witnessing serious social issues growing intolerance, substances abuses, corruption, family disintegration, and a disturbing normalization of unethical behavior. Many of these problems from an education systems that prioritizes skills over success and success or responsibility. Islamic education addresses the imbalance by nurturing the whole human being intellectually, morally, spiritually, and intellectually. It teaches discipline along with the freedom, right along with the duties, and ambition along with the accountability to good and society. When you speak about Islamic education, we must acknowledge the structure and organized effort made in our region, especially by the Sunni Vidyavyasa Board, which has played historical role spreading systematic religious education through the Madrasa Prasthanam, remodernizing curriculum, training teachers and maintaining academic standards. The board has ensured that madrasas not isolated institutions, but living centers of living that respond to contemporary need while remaining rooted in tradition. At this point, we must not forget Nur al-Ulama, whose tireless effort laid the foundation for the organizing madrasa education. The vision has clear: Islamic education should be accessible, disciplined, and society relevant. The institution he helped establish were not merely centers for ritual learning, but a school that produced scholars, leaders, and possible citizens. His legacy continues to guide the education journey of thousands of Islamic students today. Alongside tradition madrasas, institutions like Dawah College represent a remarkable educational model, integrated value education with modern professional studies. Dawah College provides that religious commitment and contemporary education are not contradictory. And intellectually carrying Islamic values into diverse professional field, the balanced approach is not luxury, it is necessary for the future. In conclusion, Islamic education is not barrier to progress. It is a guide to meaningful progress that does not isolate an individual from society. It prepares them to serve society with integrally. At a time when the world is searching for ethical direction, Islamic education offers a balanced path where faith and reason work together. Let us protect it, promote it, and pass it along, because the future needs not just education mind, but enlightened heart. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.